Now we're on to Convenience Store Project of the Year, and I'd like to invite up from Lodestar, Julia Fitzsimmons to give this award away. Julie, come up and join us.
And here are the nominees. Centrum Franowo, IKEA Centers, Poland. And Park na Polo Retail, Poland. Quick Park Oława, Real to Be Development, Poland. Wendopark Łódź Widzew, Trail Real Estate, Poland. Wendopark Skierniewice, Trail Real Estate, also Poland. And Wendopark Świdnica, Trail Real Estate, also Poland.
You will do just perfect. So Julie, thank you for joining us, and Julie's got a great PR firm that does a lot of real estate deals in London and helps out a lot of Central Eastern European companies to promote their projects in international. Okay, sorry, go ahead.
We do indeed. Thank you, Craig.
Was that right?
That's absolutely true.
Right?
That is absolutely true. Okay, so the winner is, if you look at the shortlist, there's some very difficult names for a British person to say. However, I had coaching from the table and it will be fine. So the winner is Centrum Franowo. IKEA.
So welcome to the stage. Congratulations. Congratulations, welcome. Feel free to say a few words.
Thank you very much. It's really a great pleasure to be nominated and to win in this category. And I would like to thank all the team, the leasing team, and all the tenants who have joined us in this project. Thank you very much.
Oh, Laurent, come join us, yeah? Laurent's been our sponsor for 10 years, and I was wondering where you went. Yeah? Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah. Were you just in shock or something? Yes. So, would you like to say a few words as well? Okay. Step over. Yeah.
I think the most important words have been said before, so thank you very much for the jury and thank you for the team. Very good work. Thank you.
Congratulations. Let's come over this way.